A corporation's bylaws may grant the corporation the right of first option to purchase a shareholder's shares before the shareholder can sell the shares to a third party. In Allen v. Biltmore Tissue Corporation, the court considered whether a first option provision giving a corporation the right to purchase a shareholder's stock for its original price is a permissible restriction on the transfer of corporate stock. Biltmore Corporation manufactured paper products. Under its bylaws, each shareholder could hold no more than 20 shares, and transfer of the shares was subject to certain restrictions. One restriction was that upon the death of a shareholder, the corporation retained the first option to purchase the decedent's shares for their original price within 90 days. Harry Kaplan held 20 shares of Biltmore stock. Kaplan informed Biltmore that he wanted to sell his shares and asked Biltmore to make him an offer. 5 days later, Kaplan died. A few months later, Melvin Allen and the other executors of Kaplan's estate asked Biltmore whether it was still interested in purchasing Kaplan's shares. The executors also asked Biltmore to issue new stock certificates for Kaplan's shares in the executors' names. Biltmore voted to exercise its option to purchase the stock pursuant to the first option provision. The executors declined and instead insisted that Biltmore transfer the shares to the executors, but Biltmore refused. The executors sued to compel Biltmore to issue the new certificates. The executors asserted that the first option provision was an unreasonable restraint on the transfer of stock and thus was void. Biltmore counterclaimed for specific performance to exercise its option to purchase the shares at their original price. The trial court found in Biltmore's favor. However, the appellate division reversed, holding that the bylaws provision was void because the first option price, that is, the original purchase price, was unreasonable. Biltmore appealed.